8 times your mental health is getting worse. Number 1, you reach the end of those sentences and you check most of the boxes. Number 2, even when you're surrounded by others, you've been feeling very lonely. You feel like an outsider, and it seems like others don't really understand you. Number 3, you have noticed a significant shift in your appetite. Either you've been undereating or overeating on most days. Number 4, your personal hygiene is suffering. You know that self-care is important, but the energy that it requires is overwhelming. Number 5, you're lacking energy on the majority of the days. On most days, you're starting to feel helpless because you don't know when your energy will return. Number 6, your sleep has been suffering. You're not getting your 7 to 9 hours of continuous sleep. Number 7, small events are becoming exhausting. Little tasks are consuming enormous amounts of physical and mental energy. Number 8, you've been getting easily annoyed at others. When others make mistakes, you have a really hard time letting go.